Listen and repeat.
Can you speak Spanish? Can you speak Spanish?
Yes, I can speak Spanish. Yes, I can speak Spanish.
No, I can't speak Spanish. No, I can't speak Spanish.
Can you bake a cake from scratch? Can you bake a cake from scratch?
Yes, I can bake a cake from scratch. Yes, I can bake a cake from scratch.
No, I can't bake a cake from scratch. No, I can't bake a cake from scratch.
Can you solve a Rubik's Cube? Can you solve a Rubik's Cube?
Yes, I can solve a Rubik's Cube. Yes, I can solve a Rubik's Cube.
No, I can't solve a Rubik's Cube. No, I can't solve a Rubik's Cube. Can you dance salsa? Can you dance salsa?
Yes, I can dance salsa. Yes, I can dance salsa.
No, I can't dance salsa. No, I can't dance salsa. Can you knit a sweater? Can you knit a sweater?
Yes, I can knit a sweater. Yes, I can knit a sweater.
No, I can't knit a sweater. No, I can't knit a sweater. Can you ride a horse? Can you ride a horse?
Yes, I can ride a horse. Yes, I can ride a horse.
No, I can't ride a horse. No, I can't ride a horse. Can you cook well? Can you cook well?
Yes, I can cook well. Yes, I can cook well.
No, I can't cook well. No, I can't cook well.
Can you play guitar? Can you play guitar?
Yes, I can play guitar. Yes, I can play guitar.
No, I can't play guitar. No, I can't play guitar.
Can you swim well? Can you swim well?
Yes, I can swim well. Yes, I can swim well.
No, I can't swim well. No, I can't swim well.
No, I can't swim at all. No, I can't swim at all. Can you play soccer well? Can you play soccer well?
Yes, I can play soccer well. Yes, I can play soccer well.
No, I can't play soccer well. No, I can't play soccer well.
Can you drive? Can you drive?
Yes, I can drive. Yes, I can drive.
No, I can't drive. No, I can't drive.
You can go hiking in summer. You can go hiking in summer.
You can go swimming in summer. You can go swimming in summer.
You can go biking in summer. You can go biking in summer.
You can go snowboarding in winter. You can go snowboarding in winter. Would you like to play basketball? Would you like to play basketball?
Yeah, good idea. When and where? Yeah, good idea. When and where?
At 5:30 by the basketball court. At 5:30 by the basketball court.
No, I can't come at 5:30. No, I can't come at 5:30. Could we meet at 6:15? Could we meet at 6:15?
Yes, 6:15 also works. Yes, 6:15 also works.
See you then? See you then?
When are we meeting? When are we meeting?
We're meeting at 7:30. We're meeting at 7:30.
Where are we meeting? Where are we meeting?
We're meeting at the shopping center. We're meeting at the shopping center.
We're meeting by the shopping center. We're meeting by the shopping center. Excuse me, what time is it? Excuse me, what time is it?
It's 10 minutes after 3. It's 10 minutes after 3.
It's 9:15. It's 9:15.
It's 3:30. It's 3:30.
It's 12 o'clock sharp. It's 12 o'clock sharp.
It's 20 minutes past 7. It's 20 minutes past 7.